What's up, guys? Demaria here, and welcome to the next part of the Fiend mask. Now, in the first part, you saw me sculpt it out. In this part, you're gonna see me mold it, right? So this is pretty much done, right? I could probably work on a couple of spots here and there, but I am going to go ahead and finish up on the detailing, and then we're gonna go into the actual sculpting part, or sculpting, the actual molding part of this project. So yeah, the mask is pretty much done. All the details is in there. I'm gonna go over with a hard brush next to get any of the excess clay that's hanging out of there, because we don't want any of that in the mold. Um, so we're going to go ahead and go into the B-roll, get into detail of the mask, and then we're going to be going into starting to get prep this guy ready for the mold. And the materials that we're going to be using today to mold it is going to be Mold Max 30. That is by Smooth On. So we're going to be using Mold Max 30 to get the mold of it, and then we're going to be coating that over in the fiberglass resin mother shell, and then we're gonna take it apart and do our first casting. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna do the first casting out of resin rather than urethane, so that it'll be a really nice smooth casting, and also that it'll be my mother casting. But other than that, let's go ahead and hop right into it.